I fell off this joint, look.
The water not even that steep.
I know. I'm just saying though.
Alligator come up.
Or a shark. You know, sharks be swimming off coast.
Yeah.
You be like, oh, son keep talking about Yo, it got me, bro.
Yeah,
help me. Bro, you good, bro? You good? Oh, man. Ah. I be dead, bro. Oh my God. Like, yo, get some help, bro. What you want me to do? I'm gonna run back to the wheel. Nah, bro, we ain't got time, bro. Just hop in here.
You gotta hop in it? No.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna go get some help. Yo, you be good, bro. By the time you get back, you check right out. All you see is the arm and your hat floating in the water.
Exactly, the hand
Hey, yo, bro. You still there? Yo, they like, dang, what happened? It was just in there, bro. Yo, I don't understand. Yeah. If this was higher though, like if you used to climb up there and get a nice little, you know, that'd be a nice splash though. Chilling on a Saturday. But I go to the center of the equator. Like if you really just come out here early, like 7 o'clock,
yeah.
Or you can really tour this whole strip, bro. Oh, side here on the motor. Oh, so you can pedal and use the motor. It's like alternate up.
No, you just press it.
And then, oh, all right.
Press that joint
take you off. You know what it is? The boy leak, love, laugh, learn, earn everything knowledge. We in these streets. Take your energy. Let me see if I can get some sunlight in there. See the sunlight though? Sheesh. The GoPro. Get it? Professional. That's what jumping out here. Chilling. Check your energy.